While you can't actually get rid of cracks in leather shoes, reconditioning the leather and covering the cracks with a filler will minimize their appearance. Wipe off as much surface grime as you can with a damp cloth. Then scrub your shoes with a soft cloth dipped in leather cleaner. Wipe the shoes dry with a clean, dry cloth when you're done. Stuff rags or wads of newspaper into the shoes to help them keep their shape. Then moisturize the leather by wiping it down with mink oil. Focus on the cracks and other areas that are especially dried out. Next, dip a sponge in leather filler and dab it into those cracks to fill them in and hide them. Let the filler dry for at least 30 minutes, then apply another layer if the cracks are still visible. Once the filler is completely dry, lightly buff it smooth with 220 grit sandpaper. Wipe your shoes again with a dry rag to remove the dust.